Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to our blog CMS, and if you are new to this channel and you're enjoying my videos, please help me by subscribing, give me a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. So let's continue our series. Let me do a quick recap. We're able to add our add post. Now we can add posts, like we can add any title, give our author and the body, and send our post. It will redirect to our home page, and this is what we did. Add 2 new posts, and it's nice, looking nice. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to edit or update. Like, you want to update your post, maybe you want to change something or you want to add something. Let's click on read more, keep reading. Maybe you want to change something, or you want to write maybe more article here, you want to maybe do a little bit of edit. So that's what I'll be showing you guys in this video. So let's get straight into it. So in our views.py, as you can see, we have our list view. List view is to list every single thing. Detail view is to just get a particular article. Create view is to create a post, like what we did in the previous video. Create view. So today we are going to be updating. So I think you guys are going to guess it right. So we are going to create update view. This is what I'm going to be using, update view. So we're going to come down here and create a new class, and we can call this update post. So we're going to pass in our update view. So as usual, we always have our model, which is the post, and what's the next step? Our template name. But for now we don't have any template name, so let's go and create one. So come down here to our templates, right click, find a template. I think I'll name this update_post.html. This is nice. Okay, yeah, this is all I need. And I think I want to copy exactly what I did in my add post, because it's literally almost the same form I'll be using, because updates is also a form. I'm going to be creating a form. So I'm in my add post, so I think I need to copy everything here and paste it right here, and paste it right here. This is okay. I think I want to change this fonts awesome icon, so this is going to be an update post. So let's write edit. I think this is all we need. We are good to go. So let's go back to our view. So back to our view. Now we have a template. I want to call it update post, update_post.html. So now I have an update post. So one more thing that we need is a form. As you can remember, when we are creating our add post, we had this form, post form. The post form is coming from our forms.py. So let's just go straight to our forms.py, and I think we're going to be doing a lot of copying and paste here. So let's just copy this, come down here and paste it. But we're going to change the name to update form. As you can remember, I told you guys in the last video, fields, if I say all, meaning I want all the fields, that's the author, the title and the body. But this time around I don't want all the fields. I just want to be able to update the title and the body. I don't need the author. We already have an author. We already know who is the author. We're just updating something that the author just did. So we already have the author. I don't need the author. So now we got this. So let's go back to our views. Up here, from where we wrote from forms, import post form, because that is what we have here initially. So we're also going to pass in this update form there too. So just give it a comma, write update form, and that's all we need. Then come down here and create a space like we did in the last video. Form class, just pass in your updates. form, and you're good to go. If you can remember what I always say, there are three main things that we need. We need a template, we need a view, and we need a URL. So now we have our template, which is update post, and we have a view, so we need a URL. So now in our URL.py, so let's create our URL, call it path. So what can we call this? Can we call this update post? And remember what I was telling you guys about PK. That's primary key, a unique identity to find a particular thing or a particular item. Like when we did in our article, we gave it a PK, that's a unique ID to find a particular post. So we're also going to give this a unique ID to be able to edit a particular post. So that's the same thing we're going to do here. We'll call this int, give this a PK. So we're going to know the number or the ID that we're going to be updating, because this also works if you also want to delete. You need to give it a PK so you can know what to delete, what to update, and what to add. So now what do we call it here? We call it update post. So now let's say comma update post, because that's why I called it there, dot as view, our class based view. So let's give this a URL name. I think I will call this update post, because we're updating our post. So now we have our three main things. We have our templates, we have our view, and we have our URL. So I think we're done with all this. Yeah, we're done here. So let's come back here. If you can remember, when we are doing our ad post, we had the URL navigation where we could navigate to this site and create a post and pass it back to the home page. And we also have this where we can click on this and read more and continue reading, but we don't have anywhere we can click on and update a particular post. So like I told you guys, I'm going to be making use of this template. I'm not going to be changing anything. I may add a little thing though, but I won't change much. So let's look for where we can add our update button. I think I will change this general to update button. So I think this will be in our home.html. So let's go to our home.html. So down to our home.html. Oh yeah, I think this will have our general. So let's change this general to update post. Update post. And remember how we do our URL. That is curly brackets, URL, single quotes. Then what do we call it here in our URL again? We named it update post, so that's the same thing I'm going to call it here. Update underscore post. And we're going to pass in our primary key, that's post.pk. And I think that's all we need. So let's come back here and hit on the refresh. Voila, we have our update post. So let's just try and update maybe this good life. Let's click on it. As you can see, it's just the title and the body, because that's the fields that I needed. That's the field that I said I want the title and the body. I don't need the author, that's why I removed the all. I just need the title and the body, and that's what it's showing me, the title and the body. So let's try updating this and say maybe good life. Let's add our posts. Voila, as you can see, I've updated it to good life. That's nice. Even though we'll come to continue reading, as you can see, good life. But I think I want us to be able to update it here too. So I think I will change this to update post 2 in our article. So let's go back there. I want to come to our home.html, just copy exactly what I have here. Find our article, the HTML. Okay, yeah, this is our general here. just change it. So let's come back here and refresh. Now we have update post. So let's try updating it from here. Okay, let's just say I love my jobs. I don't know. Let's check. And voila, it's working. I love my jobs. I think this is not nice. So let's just go back to what we have initially. I love my job, good life, and good life. So let's update this post. Voila, and it's working. So now we know how to add our post and we know how to update our post. So I think in the next video we'll be looking at how to delete a post. So I think I'll stop here for now. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please hit on the subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.